Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be changing the air filter from a Citroen DS3. It is from a 1.6 litre turbo petrol, so if it doesn't look the same as this in the video, do not attempt. Now we'll unscrew partially the clamp with a plier screwdriver or a socket. You do not have to remove it completely, just loosen it. We're going to be removing this hose from the air filter box to the turbo. Now pull that part just a bit, and then do the same thing for the turbo side. And then the last pipe over here, which is just a pull off. You do not need to move this completely out of the way, just a bit, leave it like this. And then on the front of the air cleaner box, there are 3 torx screws that are T20, I believe. Completely remove these ones. They don't come out all the way, just for your information. They do just stand or stay like that. Now it slides into the back, so all you need to do is lift the front up and then pull it towards itself. And that's how these are the parts that slide in at the back of the top of the air cleaner box. Now you can remove the air filter. This is quite easy to do at home. And then put your new air cleaner air filter back in, and then all you need to do is first slide in the back of the top of this air cleaner box. So over here, slide it in, make sure it's in position, and then push down the front, re-tighten the torx screws. When you're putting the pipe that goes from the turbo to the air cleaner box, you want to make sure it's all flush and in position correctly before you tighten the clamps. So put them back, make sure they are in flush. This is an easy DIY for anyone that wants to do it at home. So make sure it's all flush there as well, and don't forget to tighten these and then push in this hose as well. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly subscribe.